Hey guys, I want to show you what the Gulf Hotel Bahrain looks like. That's my room number. So I'm in room 1102. You enter through the door, as I just did, and this is what you see when you enter through the door. So let me give you guys, let me start from the left. Here you have your kitchen and all the amenities. Let me start over here. Here we have, there's the main door that I just came through. Here you have your refrigerator. We've got a full turkey in here. I'm probably not gonna have time to eat. And then of course they supply you pots and pans. Here's the microwave and the stove. And I think this is a 2-in-1 washer and dryer. All the plates you can need for a dinner party. The sink and the trash can is right below here. Then you have a table. Here you have your couch. Here you have the cool lights. Here you have your living room and a mirror and a TV. So you can just kind of basically sit here and then watch TV or watch something on the stove. So you walk down the hallway. There's a really cool abstract painting. And then you get to the bathroom. And here you have, I'm dressed up. Here you have the mirror. And then here you have the bathtub. People always want to see what the bathtub looks like. So it's kind of like a jacuzzi type of bath. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So here you have a bathroom. And then of course, the toilets. And that's pretty much it. In terms of the bathroom, here you have your, your close-up lights, right? Okay, so I really enjoy the tiles in there. So then you have your one bedroom. I'm walking into the bedroom. You have, again, a desk, mirror, bed, a place to put your stuff. And then you also have a safe and a closet that goes inside for you to hang some of your clothes and your possessions. Once again, the outlets are based on Middle Eastern standards, so you're gonna have to bring an adapter if you're gonna plug in anything or ask for one. I'm pretty sure I bought that one. And when you look outside, whoa, there is a lot of traffic. I don't know why there's so much traffic, but there is. Let's see, today is Thursday night. Why is there so much traffic by the Gulf Hotel? Wow, look at that. I have never seen so much traffic in my life. I don't know what's going on. At least not here in Bahrain. I don't know. Maybe there's a concert, maybe because it's the weekend, everyone's going somewhere special. But traffic is insane. Anyways, so here's my bedroom. And then you basically walk out. There's the ironing board that I had to borrow. Here at the Gulf, it's a huge hotel and there's so many options in terms of where to eat and what to do. So they have this book for you waiting for you in your hotel room that gives you a list of the various Gulf facilities. I haven't even seen half of the facilities, honestly. But this is my favorite part, the restaurant part that shows you all the different restaurants. You can get Chinese, you can get Iranian, you can get Lebanese, whatever you want they have for you here at the Gulf Hotel. So that's really cool that there's something for everyone here. Then there's also the Gulf Spa, which I did, and it was wonderful. What is she getting? Perfume? Okay, I don't know what she's getting in that picture. I didn't get that. But Or perhaps I could have if I had asked. Signature hammams. This is wonderful. I did this one. The traditional rose hammam. That was wonderful. Oh, I was supposed to tip a lady. Shoo. I need to go downstairs and tip the lady. Oh, I almost forgot. But, so there you have it. This is what the Gulf Hotel looks like here in Bahrain. The Gulf Hotel, Bahrain.